People, it's the weekend. They want to get outside, maybe hang out at their patios like we have here. This is Matthew Jennings from Lakeside Renovation and Design giving us an update. So what has happened in the last week here?
Last week has been a busy week. So we've seen the stone get completed. The fireplace is obviously finally set. That pretty log set is in there. And last week we got to check in on the Hardie. The Hardie was being installed. It's now done. It's painted and we're complete, as well as railings have started to go in. All we have left really is countertops and a little bit of stone.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. It's been fun coming in, every day, seeing what's new. And I noticed these. Are these new for us this week?
Yeah, so this is a Westbury aluminum railing. So gone are the days of those big clunky rails when we want to see that pretty view off of our deck. These are really open and slender. It's also has a lifetime finish warranty on an aluminum powder coated. So it's a really sturdy product that gives you that contemporary clean look.
Awesome. And have you been noticing a lot of people this season is the time to get outside? Do you see a surge this time of year?
Yeah, we do. We definitely do. Everybody gets a little bit antsy. They have that cabin fever from the winter time and they're ready to get out, and sometimes they look at their deck and they're ready to get that replaced, or they're ready to say, hey, let's get a covering so that, when that weather does come, we can still be outside.
For sure. So. Yeah, great. Yeah, it's a great time, of course, to get outside. Hopefully we do get some of that dry time this weekend. So we'll actually be back out here on the weather deck in the next hour showing you more.
All right.